Here's an inexpensive solution if you would like to create a neck strap for your DJI controller, but you don't want to spend the money on the DJI one, or you don't want to order one through Amazon, have it arrive, find out that it's missing a part, and then you have to return it. You just need some inexpensive eye bolts, some washers, and a camera strap from an old camera that you have sitting in your closet. I'll throw the measurements for the eye bolts in the notes below so that way you make sure you get the correct thread. Okay, grab your eye bolts. Take 2 of those out. Grab 2 of your washers. And screw them in. I'll fast forward here so you don't have to watch too much of this. Now grab your camera strap from your old camera. And there you have it, a quick low-cost solution so that you don't drop your DJI controller.